The North Garo Hills Job Reservation Policy Coordination Committee, Risubella, on Thursday submitted their recommendation to the Expert Committee on Reservation, urging status quo of the current reservation policy in Meghalaya to be maintained to ensure that the existing provisions for Garo community remain intact. The state government last year formed the Expert Committee to review the Meghalaya State Reservation Policy of 1972.
Hello, how are you?
Our stand is very clear. We want to maintain the reservation policy. We want to maintain the status quo. Whatever our forefather has made, this reservation should be kept in letter and spirit. Considering all these things, we could say Garo Hills is very backward in comparing with the Khasi Hills region. Yes, 40% reservation is maintaining since the time of statute.
As the state gears up to hold